Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Bitcoin BTC. The BTC price is currently correcting a little bit. When we take a look here, we see that it has broken support. This white line is a trend line, okay, and it is below it now at the moment. There's currently about 3 hours left on this candle, but support has been broken and it looks like we're going to come down. I would expect this to come down and test the 42,000 area right about here where this previous low is, and then if that doesn't hold, 41,500. Okay, so not a big deal. This is kind of what I told you about in the previous videos. You know, I said before that Sundays usually sell down, and they quite often have price corrections. So that's kind of what we're going through now. Now I don't expect it to be severe. Like I said, below 42, there's a lot of demand here. I mean, look at all this buying and all of this support. So worst case scenario, we could just come down and test the 41,500 level and then move up from there after putting in a second low here. Okay, that would be technically a double bottom, and double bottoms are bullish. So just need to wait and see what's going to happen. Currently Bitcoin is 42,300. 42,300. You see here on the 4-hour, stochastics is already down at the bottom, and RSI is turning down a little bit. Currently it is 43, RSI 43. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not expecting any big moves or anything like that until tomorrow or this week. It's very possible that we could see this come down, spend a little bit of time here, and then push up hard. You know, Tuesday or even maybe tomorrow. Tonight is Sunday night, North American East Coast time, and this is pretty typical. You know, we're not seeing a real big sell-off, so this is just a little correction. Taking a look at ADA. ADA had a huge pump from 110, 113 all the way up to 149. Huge pump. So we see right here on the 4-hour, ADA is putting in a correction. Currently $1.43. $1.43, up 2% so far. There is a price point at 139. This is where it bounced before, so I'm sure they're going to try to hold this level. The bulls will try to hold this level. If that level doesn't hold, most likely it'll come back down. Price will come back down and test the 200 daily moving average at about 133. 133. So if Bitcoin stabilizes, then ADA probably will stabilize, and then if Bitcoin has a bullish week, I would imagine most altcoins will also. Taking a look at ADA, let's see here. Taking a look at stochastics and RSI. Stochastics is at the top, and RSI is overbought. Okay. So RSI right now at about 70, right on the line of overbought. It was a little bit higher before then, and so I am expecting a correction down. You know, how much, not really sure, but this was a pretty massive pump here. So now ADA has a chance to make a higher low. This is what I was talking about before. You know, that pump up and then a pullback, making a higher low and then pushing higher. Although I didn't expect it to pump to 150. It did hold the 30-day moving average on the 4-hour, and that's why it went even higher. So I expected some kind of a pullback here. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I did say a higher low in this area. I guess I wasn't paying attention. I should have paid more attention and took that trade. Anyway, that's crypto. Crypto is very busy, a lot going on. So those are the price points: 139, 140 as a test. 200 daily moving average 133, 134. And if that doesn't hold, then most likely coming back down to about 127, right around in here. That's the next level. Those are the levels to watch with Cardano. Matic currently up 150, 1.5%. And Matic is pretty much doing the same thing, going sideways with some consolidation above the 30 and the 200, which is bullish. Whether it can hold it or not, not really sure. RSI is midline, and the stochastics is turning up from the bottom. Currently, or previously 30, turning up from the 30 area. So as you can see, we have the market just having a correction with Bitcoin. Fear is down, has been down. AXS, Axie Infinity, currently at $79 and is correcting as well in between the Fibonacci's of 0.5, 0.61. Currently in the golden pocket, we do see a double bottom here, and it just depends on if it can hold onto it. We do see that we have some stochastics turning down, and the RSI is turning down as well. We did have some hidden bullish divergence here, which caused this little pump here. Alright, so that's Axie. TRX pretty much doing kind of something similar as Bitcoin. EGLD down 2%, 191. EGLD is actually looking like it's weaker than the other cryptos. It pushed up to the 0.5 Fibonacci and retraced. Now it's retracing again. So EGLD looks like it may spend some time down here consolidating first. We do have stochastics down here at the bottom, and we do have RSI currently at 38, so I'm expecting it probably to get down by 30, maybe below that. Support currently at 191. Yeah, exactly where it's at now. So if that breaks, then most likely it'll come back down to 180, 185 in that area to test consolidation area once again. That is EGLD, E-Gold. STX stacks mimicking Bitcoin, almost exactly the same pattern. Had a dip, pump, higher low, pump, and now starting to retrace again. So almost exactly like Bitcoin. Stochastics exactly like Bitcoin, and the RSI exactly like Bitcoin. Some levels to watch. At this point, I think we're going to come down and test the 199. 199. If that doesn't hold, then we'll probably come down and test 190, 195, something like that. That is stacks. And we just talked about BTC. Kai, that's not a good one. KCS, KuCoin. KuCoin had a nice little pump, just kind of like ADA Cardano on the 4-hour. Went all the way up to the 200 daily moving average, finding resistance at that level. We have regular bearish divergence, so we could very well find a correction at this time. RSI turning down. Whoops. RSI is turning down here, and so the RSI is turning down, and the stochastics has already crossed over. Currently $20.80. $20.80. Yeah, but KuCoin is still still looking a little short-term bullish. We'll just have to wait and see where it pulls back to. Okay. So we're looking at 30-day moving average at $20.22, and right below that we have the moving average at $19.95. If that doesn't hold, we could come back to test support, price support at $19.31. Wild pushing up, pulling pretty much the same as some of the other altcoins. Block breaking down, not showing much strength at all at this time. Getting rejected here at the 30-day moving average and falling all the way down into the oversold area on both RSI and stochastic. So this one is not a buy at the moment, not a buy. We need to see a little bit of strength come in. PRE showing a little bit of strength, holding on to the 30-day moving average, and currently at the 0.5 Fibonacci. We did have a little double bottom here, and then we pushed up with some strength. But now, because Bitcoin is correcting, we're now testing the 30-day moving average. So we'll just have to wait and see. If that doesn't hold, probably 35 cents is where the next Fibonacci is. 35 cents. If that doesn't hold, then back down to 200 daily moving average, 33.6 cents. So let's see here. CRO, same thing, still bearish. Jasmy, still bearish, bouncing off of the 30-day moving average on the 4-hour, coming back down. Looks like it's going to try to hold at 6.6 cents. 6.6. Going to retest that area once again. Telcoin, not looking too hot. Came down, pushed up a little bit, came down, trying to consolidate here. If there's a bullish week for altcoins, it should push up. If not, it will come down, retest the 0.009 level, and if that doesn't hold, it'll probably test this. Let's see here, 0.0096, and then if that doesn't hold, 0.0092. Flow, showing a lot of weakness, coming off, getting rejected at the 30-day moving average. 717, a retest of 739, and then if that doesn't hold, 717 is what is in the cards. Elon, pretty much same thing. All of these are doing pretty much the same thing because they're following Bitcoin. Link. Now here's one, Link. This is a good one. We see here Link bounced off of this trend line, made a couple of higher highs, came down, successfully tested and held the 200 daily moving average. Now it looks like it's in this consolidation zone here, in this consolidation box, and so looks like it's probably going to come down and test or retest the $23.96, $24 area where support is on the 200 daily moving average. Alright. Stochastic's turning down, so it needs to come down a bit. And the RSI is under 50. Showing some weakness. V-chain currently 7.6 cents. Gonna test 7.4 cents, and if that doesn't hold, then a test of 7.1, and if that doesn't hold, test of 6.8 down here, where that Fibonacci level is. Okay, stochastic's turning down. Again, everything is correcting. You can see Mana. Mana is actually going sideways, holding on to the 30-day moving average. Naka selling down hard. Algorand's looking pretty good. Algorand has made a double bottom and now is pushing up, testing the 30-day moving average. Yeah. So it potentially could come down to 133. That's where support is. If not, most likely this week it'll just turn up and start doing this, going up. I'm going to be watching Algorand. Now right now we've got some divergence right here, bullish divergence. So this could be pushing up this week. BAT, B-A-T, testing support at 102. If that doesn't hold, probably will come down to 93 cents, 93 to 95 cents to test the support area down there. Pancake swap correcting from its run that it had, triple bottom here, pushed up, came down, held the 30, pushed up, tested the 200. Currently it's trying to hold consolidation at the 200. Not sure if it will or not. Stochastic's turning down. It just depends on Bitcoin. Currently $11.95. Potential levels to test. $11.30 and $11 even. Ethereum looking to pull back. Could test the 31.36 area. 31.36. If that doesn't hold, 29.28, or maybe around 30,000 or 3,000. Cody currently 33 cents, testing the 32 cents 0.4. That doesn't hold, 29.6 or about 30 cents. AVAX looking good, testing the 87.37 area. If that does not hold, then 79.17 could be in the cards. Could be in the cards, or maybe 83.18, between 83.18 and 79. BNB showing a lot of strength. Had a rally up to the 200 daily moving average. Currently is testing the 30-day moving average on this pullback. If it doesn't hold, next level 470. 470. If that doesn't hold, the level be under that 454. 454. Currently at 483. And on and on. Kusama had a pump, is correcting, just like the others. Cadena, Moon River, Audio, Galaxy, yeah. Okay. So all of these pretty much have the same pattern, more or less, because of Bitcoin. Alright, whoops, except for Atom. Atom is looking quite strong. Not sure how much longer it will defy gravity. But some levels to watch for: $40.41, $37.73, and $35.57. It's these areas here, right there. 200 daily moving average on the 4 hour, 200 moving average on the 4 hour, 34.65, 34.65. Stochastics turning down here and has some distance, so we could see a significant pullback before continuing higher. Doge had a nice pump, retesting this area here, retesting the 30 and the 200 daily moving average on the 4 hour chart together at the same time. Solana showing weakness, just sideways consolidation. Whoops. Right here. The cup and handle pattern, potential cup and handle did not solidify. Bitcoin interrupted, and we're just pretty much doing the same thing as Bitcoin coming down. Level being tested 140. Level being tested 140. Possible next level 130. Currently price is 142. Current price 142. One Harmony showing massive strength. Had a nice rally off of the 200 daily moving average. Currently testing the 30-day moving average. Prices to look for 31 cents, testing 31 cents. 33 to 31 cents, testing that area. And if that doesn't hold, possible 30 cents. And then if that doesn't hold, 200 test again at 28.2 cents. So there you have it, friends. I don't want to make it too long. I don't want to make the video too long. Everything's pretty much correcting a little bit. We'll just have to wait and see what happens to Bitcoin. Taking a look at Bitcoin once again. We do see, let's see here, Bitcoin is 42,500. 42,500. Stochastics is down here at the bottom. Probably will not correct too much more tonight, but we just have to wait and see. We are seeing a little bit of buying coming in, trying to push it back up above the trend line. And then, like I said, if not, the price point 41,900 down to possibly 41,500 right here. So there you go, friends. This week coming up tomorrow, Monday, North American East Coast time, and we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. Possible pump, maybe, or maybe if Monday's flat, Tuesday possible pump. We'll just have to wait and see. That's the fun and excitement of crypto. But I'm not too bearish right now. I think there's consolidation possible. Small little drop down to support area, but I don't see any major drop unless there's a lot of shorting and a lot of fear and a lot of capitulation. So, but that remains to be seen. We could rally, all of this week. Thank you for watching, friends. Take care. Remember the number one rule: do not lose money. And rule number 2: try to make some money. Be safe. Thank you for your time. Please click like. See you in the next video.